Hi, I'm Julie, and I just had bunion surgery. I had it done on both feet at the same time, and I looked for a long time and have considered for a long time having bunion surgery, and then decided when I found Dr. Blitz in New York that he was going to be the right person for me. I have a very demanding job where I have to be on my feet a lot, and I did not have the luxury of being able to lay in bed for weeks at a time. And when I found out about his procedure, I decided it was the right fit for my feet. I had looked before, like 10 or 15 years ago. I'd considered doing it, and I actually went to somebody else. And the recovery time was going to be such that it wasn't going to work for me. So just before the surgery, I decided not to do it. But at this point, with what he's able to do to my feet and my ability to be able to be mobile right away has made a huge difference for me. And it's let me be able to get back to work within 2 weeks and be basically fully functional at my job within 2-3 weeks. And so I've been really happy with where I'm at. I'm glad I made the decision that I did. I just felt very comfortable that he knew what he was doing, clearly had tremendous amount of experience, and I knew my feet were in good hands. My experience in the office was really positive. I felt really good when I called in, talking to the receptionist. I felt, first of all, they were very responsive to me. They called me back right away. When I was telling people that I was going to do both feet, they couldn't believe it to begin with. And afterwards, nobody could really believe that I was able to walk on both feet. And the reality was, I walked off the recovery room table and went to the bathroom within 15 minutes of the surgery. So afterwards, everybody kept saying, oh, there's going to be something, and they kept waiting, thinking there was going to be some problem. And there wasn't, and I just kept being able to walk more and more and more. Nobody could believe that this was possible. But I'm a living testament that it is, and I did, and I'm walking around. One of the things that I really loved was that he had a relationship with a couple of local hotels. And so I was able to stay in a really comfortable environment that really worked well for me. And in fact, I was originally going to just come in, do the surgery, stay for a night or two. I ended up staying several days because I had such a good time in the hotel. And it was so well suited towards somebody who's going to have a surgical procedure.